Welcome to my channel. My topic is experiment with water. I am Sudhanya Sengupta. This lesson is for class 5. After this lesson, student will able to understand the different experiment with water. What floats, what sinks. Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today, Ammi was making her favorite food, puri and spicy potatoes. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out puri and potato in the hot oil. She saw the first and puri sank to the bottom of pan. As it puffed up, the puri came up and started floating on the oil. One puri did not puff up and did not float like the others. On seeing this, Aisha took some dough and rolled into ball. She flattened it and put it in bowl of water. Alas, it sank to the bottom of and stayed there. In the evening, Aisha went for a bath. She had just come out when her mother called, Aisha, you have dropped a soap in the water again. Take it out and put it in the soap case. Aisha was in a hurry and the soap case fell out of her hand. It started floating on the water. Aisha gently put the soap in the soap case. She saw that the cause continued of floating even with the soap in it. Now, I am telling you a poem, Why and Why. A wooden boat in water will float, but a needle will sink. Why does this happen? Let me think. An iron ship will also float, though it's much heavier than my boat. But a needle, light as a leaf, this is a pain, will sink right in. Why this happen? Let me think. Things to put in water. Soap cake on a small plastic plate, empty plastic bottle half filled with water, bottle full of water. Now this is the different type of experiment, and you can put this things into the water and let's see what happen in this experiment. You can also doing this experiment in your home. Dead Sea. All oceans and seas have salty water. The saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. How salty! Imagine 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water. Would you be able to even taste such salty water? It would be very bitter. Interestingly, even if a person does not know how to swim, she would not drown in this sea. She will float in the water as if lying down on it. What dissolved and what did not. One Sunday, Aisha's cousin brother Hamid came to her house to play. As soon as he came, he asked his aunt to make his favorite shakkar a sweet dish. Ammi said, let me come back from the market when I will make some for you. Why don't you help me? Take 2 glasses of water and put the ball of sugar in it. Mix it till it dissolves. Hamid thought, let me finish this work first, then I will watch TV. Dissolve or not? Now the question is, which things dissolve in water? or which thing is not. That means salt, chalk powder, 1 spoon milk, oil. You can find out that which is dissolved in water and which is not. The Dandi March. This incident took place in 1930 before India became independent. For many years, the British had made a law what did not allow people to make salt themselves. They had also put a heavy tax on salts. But this law, people could not make salts even for use at home. How can anybody live without salt? Gandhiji said. How can a law not allow to use freely what nature has given? Gandhiji, with several other people, went on a yatra, that means long walk, from Ahmedabad to Dandi seashore in Gujarat to protest against this law. Do you know how salt is made? The sea water is collected in shallow beds dug in the sand. Water is allowed to dry in the sand. After the water dries, the salt remains on the ground. Thank you so much. That's all. I hope you can enjoy this lesson and you all learned something from this lesson. Please subscribe my channel and share it. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.